There is a new situation around Tesla Giga Berlin. EU is demanding something that Tesla cannot do regarding Tesla's 4680 batteries production. So Tesla is fed up with the EU for Giga Berlin and has rejected the $1.5 billion EU funding. Why? Because EU apparently makes a demand which will not allow Tesla to produce the 4680 batteries elsewhere. But let me tell you all about this in details now with the help of our Jeremy Johnson from Torque News Tesla reporting team friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. So Tesla has rejected around $1.5 billion worth of funding from the European Union for Giga Berlin's battery factory. This is just a few weeks of operating cash flow for Tesla. Not a big money maybe for Tesla, and with all the frustration Tesla has had getting Giga Berlin up and running with EU red tape, this is a, I think, smart move by Tesla, says Jeremy Johnson from Torque News Tesla reporting team. This stipulation was the straw that broke the camel's back, Johnson says. The EU, a collection of European countries adopting the euro as a currency, has required that any sites in receipt of funding must be the first industrial deployment of the technology, according to official documents, meaning that the 4680 batteries Tesla produces cannot already be made at another Tesla plant elsewhere. But legal challenges to the construction of the plant have delayed its opening by several months, meaning the company whose valuation hit $1 trillion earlier this year is likely to begin production of the same batteries elsewhere sooner. Tesla doesn't need the EU, I think. If you listen to the latest Tesla daily video from Rob Mauer, you'll note that $1.5 billion is just a few weeks of operating cash flow for Tesla. Since Tesla is making a nice profit and has plenty of cash, it doesn't need to bend to the stipulations of the European Union to only make the 4680 batteries in Giga Berlin or start 4680 battery production at Giga Berlin first. This is just more delays and red tape for Giga Berlin to open. It'll be a miracle if Giga Berlin is even able to make a single car for a customer this year due to all the hoops Tesla is having to jump through to get things done. In fact, the environmental associations are now calling for the fourth online discussion. It's smart for Tesla to reject the EU funding. In fact, Tesla should reject any kind of union as well for Giga Berlin, says Jeremy Johnson. We've heard reports that Giga Berlin employees are trying to unionize, and Tesla stock and benefits provided by Tesla are such a better incentive than anything else that could be provided. Giga Shanghai, which is in a communist country, China, got off the ground much quicker than the Giga Berlin in Germany. Germany should be kind of ashamed of the red tape and delays to Giga Berlin and the progress of sustainable energy, says Jeremy Johnson from Torque News. When will Giga Berlin deliver cars? I don't think Giga Berlin will deliver cars this year. It's likely going to be sometimes in Q1 of 2022, says Johnson. I'm disappointed in all the barriers to entry Germany and the EU has provided. If Tesla could go back in time and do things again, I bet they would find another European country to set up in. Once Giga Berlin starts delivering cars, Germany is going to start to see how amazing the cars are, and I think that will be the end of red tape and delays, says Johnson. It's getting to that point that it is the difficult part. My estimate, says Johnson, my estimated date for the first deliveries, March 1st, 2022. I kind of agree with Jeremy on this one. The deliveries will probably start from March or February of 2002, probably not this year. So what do you think about the EU requirements for Tesla to make 4680 batteries, friends, at Giga Berlin only? Is this fair from the EU? Will Giga Berlin even start deliveries of vehicles this year? Well, here's what EU wants. EU wants to give the money in order to develop unique and original technologies in the European Union to make European Union more competitive compared to China, the United States, or other places. So this is why the requirements come. So I can understand. Regarding Tesla, Johnson said it's shame for Germany for delaying Tesla Giga Berlin. I mean, I understand people's sentiments that they want clean air, good water in an area which is very beautiful outside of Berlin, quiet, idyllic, beautiful pastoral area, and I understand their concerns too. And also I have to say that Giga Berlin is moving much faster than other some projects in Germany, and so things are still not too bad. Things are going well, and I think we'll see what happens next with this. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel and let me know what do you think about this new situation around Giga Berlin's battery factory. Have a great day. Peace be with all of you. God bless you. And let's move on to our next Tesla story. Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted and clarified why Tesla rejected EU money for Giga Berlin's battery plant. In one of my previous reports, I talked about this, but now there is a clear clarification from Elon Musk. Elon Musk says lessons he learned from a previous 465 million Department of Energy loan is the reason why Tesla decided to forego a 1.5 billion euros EU incentive for the Giga Berlin battery plant. Welcome back, friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel and give us thumbs up if you are here first time. Tesla is currently building a new battery factory at Grünheide at Giga Berlin in Germany. Construction of the battery plant is taking place in the Giga Berlin premises, and when complete, will produce Tesla's newest, revolutionary 4680 battery cells, which are supposed to have better density energy and longer range. According to Tesla, this 4680 batteries contain several manufacturing design and cell chemistry breakthroughs, giving the new batteries a 54% increase in energy density and a 69% reduction in capital expenditures per kilowatt hour. The 4680 battery cells are initially expected to go into the refreshed Model Y that will be produced at Giga Berlin and Giga Texas. According to Tesla, the refreshed Model Y with the 4680 battery cells and new architecture will begin deliveries in early 2022. Based on Elon Musk's previous statement, we expect the refreshed Model Y to have a 475 miles range, overall improved design, and a new paint scheme with added colors that subtly change with curvature, says Tinsai Aregai from Torque News, Tesla reporting to him. One crucial step to achieve volume production of the refreshed Model Y with these 4680 batteries is the Giga Berlin's battery plant. The construction of the battery factory is currently progressing very rapidly. In our earlier report, we discussed the details of the 1.5 billion euros incentives Tesla had received for the battery plant and the possible reasons Tesla decided not to take the money. And now, Elon Musk has confirmed why Tesla chose to forego the incentive. According to Musk, Tesla decided to not take the money from EU because the terms of the incentive were so onerous that they made the potential benefit not worth it. In about a moment, I will quote what Elon Musk said. Musk drew parallels with the 465 million Department of Energy loan Tesla received from the US government back in 2010. At the time, the loan made Tesla the target of politically motivated attacks. Tesla's name was even mentioned in one of the presidential debates as evidence of President Obama's lack of judgment when giving out taxpayer dollars to electric startups. And now, Elon Musk says the lesson Tesla learned from the Department of Energy loans is the reason why Musk and team have decided to forego the 1.5 billion euros for the Giga Berlin battery plant. In a tweet to Alex, a user on Twitter who tweeted about Tesla waiving over 1 billion euros in battery production, bustly for Giga Berlin, Elon Musk wrote, quote, "We learned our lesson with 465 million DOE, Department of Energy, loan received in 2010-2011. Onerous terms exceeded value of money received. That's why we paid it back so early despite an early repayment penalty. It's not yet clear if Tesla's decision will put the EV maker at a disadvantage, but we will be sure to keep you posted if we learn more about the issue. So please subscribe to our channel as we're going to keep our finger on the pulse of this development. Make sure to visit our website also, torquenews.com/Tesla, for the latest information. So what do you think, friends? Is Tesla right for not taking the EU incentive? Do you think this decision will put the company at a disadvantage? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Remember that $1.5 billion is just 1 or 2 weeks of operating cash for Tesla. So this is Armin Hari. I'm from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Join our community. We have great discussions. And let's move on to our next Tesla story. Peace be with all of you. God bless you. And I'll see you soon in our next Tesla story.